Hi. First of all, I want to wish a happy 250th birthday to the United States of America, and have a great Independence Day weekend. Secondly, today I'm going to show you how to make a star-shaped crystal out of Epsom salts. You will need a cup and a half of Epsom salts and a cup and a half of boiling hot water, as hot as you can get it. Pour it into the Epsom salts. And stir it until it's thoroughly dissolved. And then all you have to do is let this just sit for 4, maybe 6 hours. And after 4 to 6 hours, you'll have a star-shaped crystal because of the shape of the bottom of the 2-liter bottle. And I wouldn't recommend trying to take it out because it may shatter, but you can trim the 2-liter bottle down to where it forms star-shaped crystal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy 4th of July weekend, and I'll see you next time.